For years, people believed electric cars would always have one big weakness. They could be efficient, quiet, and environmentally friendly, but they would never compete with the raw performance of gasoline-powered sports cars. Then Tesla changed that idea almost overnight. Today, the fastest production cars in the world are often electric, leaving many people wondering what really made that possible. Was it simply bigger batteries, or was something much more important happening inside the motor itself? The answer is more surprising than most people realize. One of Tesla's most talked about engineering breakthroughs isn't visible from the outside at all. It's hidden inside the drive unit, where a small carbon fiber component helps solve a problem that has challenged motor designers for decades. To understand why this matters, we first need to look at what limits every electric motor. An electric motor seems simple. Electricity flows in, the rotor spins, and the car moves. But inside that spinning rotor, enormous forces are at work. As rotational speed climbs higher and higher, centrifugal force pushes outward with incredible intensity. At extreme RPM, even tiny imperfections can create vibration, extra heat, and wasted energy. That's why building a faster electric motor isn't as simple as increasing power. The rotor has to remain perfectly balanced while spinning tens of thousands of times every minute. If it flexes or becomes unstable, efficiency drops and the motor can no longer deliver consistent performance. For years, engineers accepted this as one of the biggest limits of high-performance electric motors. Tesla decided to challenge that assumption. Instead of redesigning the entire motor from scratch, Tesla focused on strengthening the rotor itself. The solution was a thin carbon fiber sleeve wrapped tightly around the outside of the rotor. While it may look like a simple addition, its job is incredibly important. Carbon fiber is exceptionally strong while remaining lightweight. By placing the sleeve under carefully controlled tension, Tesla effectively compresses the rotor before it even begins spinning. As rotational speed increases, the sleeve helps prevent the rotor from expanding under massive centrifugal forces. Think of it like reinforcing a spinning wheel before it's pushed to its limits. The stronger and more stable the wheel remains, the faster it can safely rotate without losing its shape. This allows Tesla's motor to operate at remarkably high rotational speeds while maintaining stability. Higher RPM doesn't automatically mean a higher top speed, but it gives engineers greater flexibility to produce strong acceleration and sustained performance across a wide range of driving conditions. That leads to another common misunderstanding about electric vehicles. Many people assume the battery is responsible for everything an EV does. The battery is certainly important because it stores energy, but it doesn't determine how effectively that energy reaches the wheels. The motor, inverter, cooling system, and software all work together. Imagine pouring water through a narrow pipe. No matter how much water you have available, the pipe limits how much can flow at once. The same idea applies here. A powerful battery means little if the motor cannot efficiently convert that stored energy into motion. This is where Tesla's engineering philosophy stands out. Rather than relying on a single breakthrough, the company improves dozens of small systems that work together. Better cooling reduces heat. Smarter software optimizes power delivery. Faster electronics react almost instantly. Each improvement might seem minor on its own, but together they create a dramatic difference behind the wheel. One advantage of a more efficient motor is consistency. Many high-performance vehicles can produce incredible acceleration once or twice before heat forces them to reduce output. Engineers call this thermal limiting. Protecting the hardware becomes more important than delivering maximum power. By keeping temperatures under better control, Tesla's motor can maintain strong performance for longer periods, instead of fading after repeated hard acceleration. Drivers experience more predictable performance, whether they're entering a highway, climbing steep grades, or simply enjoying spirited driving. Of course, building this technology is much harder than explaining it. Tesla has famously made many of its patents publicly available, leading some people to believe competitors could simply copy the design. In reality, patents reveal concepts, not manufacturing expertise. It's similar to being handed the blueprint for an advanced aircraft. Understanding the drawings is one thing. Producing thousands of flawless parts every day is something entirely different. Manufacturing a carbon fiber rotor sleeve requires extraordinary precision. The fibers must be wound under carefully controlled tension. Tiny variations can affect balance at high rotational speeds. Specialized equipment measures dimensions so small they're nearly impossible to detect with the human eye. Modern production lines rely on advanced automation, high-precision inspection systems, and continuous quality monitoring. Every stage has to work almost perfectly because a single defect can affect the entire motor. This manufacturing knowledge represents years of engineering experience. It's one reason why replicating the technology is far more difficult than simply reading a patent. That doesn't mean other automakers are standing still. Companies across the industry are investing heavily in new motor designs, improved cooling systems, advanced materials, and more efficient power electronics. Some are exploring axial flux motors. Others are developing motors that reduce dependence on rare earth materials. Every manufacturer is searching for the next competitive advantage. The race is no longer just about battery size. It's about extracting more performance from every unit of energy while lowering cost and improving long-term reliability. That's also why Tesla continues investing heavily in manufacturing itself. The company often emphasizes that the factory is just as important as the product it builds. Faster production, tighter quality control, and greater automation can provide advantages that competitors struggle to match. Looking ahead, motor technology will likely become even more important. Future autonomous vehicles, robo-taxis, delivery fleets, and commercial EVs won't simply need impressive acceleration. They'll require motors capable of operating efficiently for countless hours while minimizing maintenance and energy consumption. In that world, every percentage point of efficiency matters. A small improvement multiplied across millions of miles can translate into enormous savings in electricity, operating costs, and reliability. Still, it's worth keeping expectations realistic. Tesla's carbon fiber sleeve isn't a magic solution that guarantees permanent leadership. The electric vehicle industry evolves rapidly, and today's breakthrough can become tomorrow's standard. Advances in batteries, semiconductors, manufacturing, software, and entirely new motor architectures could reshape the competitive landscape once again. What Tesla has demonstrated is something broader than a single engineering trick. It has shown that meaningful innovation often comes from solving dozens of difficult problems instead of searching for one revolutionary invention. Sometimes the biggest leap forward isn't the largest battery or the highest horsepower figure. Sometimes it's a component only a few millimeters thick, hidden deep inside a motor, quietly making everything else possible. As competition accelerates across the EV industry, the companies that succeed won't necessarily be the ones with the flashiest headlines. They'll be the ones that consistently combine smart engineering, efficient manufacturing, reliable software, and continuous improvement into products people trust every day. The next chapter of electric vehicles won't be decided by one breakthrough alone. It will be shaped by the companies that can turn brilliant engineering into millions of reliable vehicles. And that's a challenge every automaker is still racing to solve.